like what you said, nakakalimutan na yung health, may it be physical health, may it be mental health, especially, during this time, um, before kasi like back in the day, hindi masyadong, uh, I don't want to say hindi pinapahalagahan, pero hindi attention ng tao yung mental health
Hindi
before.
hindi pa tayo aware,
Yeah,
you know.
many people are not aware of that,
Yes.
and the thing is, minsan kasi parang naging taboo siya before, eh. It's a taboo, yung mental health na ganyan na, kapag nagpakita ka ng let's say sinabi mo na you're having mental health challenges, it becomes a weakness, na
Yeah.
ngayon kasi parang, ang physical health mo 'pag nagkasakit ka, well, normal, eh, nagkakasakit ang tao. But nowadays, if you're experiencing some mental health challenges, um, nano-normalize na siya na, okay, you need to take care of that as well, you know? So, which is good, which is good. People are getting more aware of things that, you take care of your physical health, and mental health is equally important as your physical health, So that's good.
Parang ang dating before,
Mm,
parang normal lang eh. Alam mo 'yon, parang stress ako, ay trabaho 'yan eh, 'di ba?
mm.
Pero nung naging aware tayo sa mental health, ba, delikado pala 'to.
Tito's Talk.